Florian forgets a birthday. He needs a cake fast. Florian is stressed today. In this video, you learn words for the supermarket. Slow and clear. Stay with Florian to the end of the story. Turn on the CC for other languages. Florian looks at a piece of paper. He looks at the big wall calendar. Florian opens the door and runs out. He arrives at a very big supermarket. He holds a red basket. But finding the food is hard. Florian stands in the big store. He looks at the very long shelves. He sees the flour on the top shelf. Florian reaches up high for the bag. He catches the white paper bag. He finds a small box of eggs. The box falls from his hand. The eggs break on the floor. Florian meets a calm store worker. She gives him a clean box of eggs. Florian smiles and says thank you. He puts the flour in the red basket. He puts the eggs inside the basket. Florian feels happy and ready. But the store closes very soon. Many brown boxes block his way. He sees a small, dark space. Florian steps into the narrow space. He walks between the big boxes. His red basket hits a box. A big box almost falls on him. Florian steps out of the dark boxes. He sees many bright party lights. He looks at a special shelf. He takes a small box of candles. Florian stands in the safe, open space. He looks at his full red basket. He has all the birthday items. Now Florian walks to the desk. The store is dark and quiet. He sees one bright light far away. Florian runs fast to the light. He meets the calm worker again. She takes the candles at the desk. Florian breathes and feels safe. Florian makes a small chocolate cake. He puts one pink candle on top. He has a great birthday cake. Wait, before you go, 10 words from today, just for you. Store, store. Box, box. Bag, bag. Egg, egg. Shelf, shelf. Door, door. Floor, floor. Light, light. Paper, paper. Cake, cake. You listened. You learned. More stories every week. This is More Lingua, English. See you soon.